In the ethereal realms where gods and demons vie for supremacy, a significant battle reshaped the cosmos. The gods, guardians of harmony, faced a formidable challenge from the demons Mahishi. Empowered by a boon granted by Lord Brahma, Mahishi wreaked havoc across the three worlds, threatening the very fabric of cosmic order. Mahishi's boon was no ordinary gift. Brahma had granted her invulnerability to any single god or demon, a boon that made her seemingly invincible. Her tyranny spread far and wide as she conquered celestial and earthly realms, instilling fear and despair among gods and humans alike. To counter this dire menace, the gods convened to devise a plan. Lord Vishnu, known for his strategic prowess, proposed a solution that required a blend of divine powers. He transformed into Mohini, the enchantress whose unparalleled beauty and grace had once distributed the nectar of immortality among the gods during the churning of the ocean. Amidst the turmoil, a celestial event was destined to unfold. Lord Shiva, enchanted by Mohini's allure during their fateful encounter post-ocean churning, found himself drawn to her divine essence. From their union, a prophetic child was conceived, a child destined to be the nemesis of Mahishi. This child was none other than Ayyappan, also known as Manikandan, born from the union of Shiva and Vishnu's feminine avatar. Ayyappan was endowed with extraordinary powers. His birth was celebrated by the heavens, for he was not only a fusion of might and mercy, but also a beacon of hope for all divine beings. Ayyappan's heritage made him unique. He possessed the fierceness of Shiva and the benevolence of Vishnu. He holds a bow in his left hand and an arrow in his right hand. As Ayyappan grew, so did his prowess, educated by the sages and trained by the gods in martial arts. Today, Lord Ayyappa is revered across many cultures. His temples are places of pilgrimage where millions seek blessings and pay homage to his legend.